In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals, OKRs, and KPIs in Asana 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, trackable goal in Asana and make sure the right people can see and update it. Start by heading to Asana and logging in. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and log in. Once you land on your Asana homepage, you're ready to work with goals. Think of Asana goals as the home for your high-level outcomes. They're perfect for OKRs, where the title represents your objective, and for KPIs, where you'll monitor a specific metric over time. From the sidebar, open goals. This takes you to your organization's goal space. Click Create Goal to open a new goal draft. Begin with a clear, descriptive title. If you're creating an OKR, phrase the title as the objective, like improve customer retention. If you're setting a KPI, name the measure and target range. For example, monthly churn rate under 3%. Keep the title action-oriented so anyone scanning the list understands the intent at a glance. Next, assign an owner. This is the single person accountable for driving progress and updates. Even if many teammates contribute, one owner prevents confusion and ensures consistent reporting. Choose a time period. Pick a time frame that matches your planning cadence. Quarterly is common for OKRs, while KPIs might span a quarter or a year. Setting the period helps Asana structure reporting and keeps everyone aligned on when progress should be reviewed. Select your privacy settings. Public goals are great for transparency and cross-functional alignment. Private goals are useful for sensitive initiatives or early drafts. Choose the option that fits your team's culture and the nature of the work. Add relevant team members by name or email to keep stakeholders in the loop. This is ideal for collaborators, leaders who want visibility, or anyone who needs updates without owning the goal. Decide whether these members can edit or only comment. Editors can help maintain the goal details and status. Commenters can provide feedback while preserving control with the owner. When everything looks good, click Save Goal. That's it. Your goal is now live in Asana. From here, your team can track progress, share updates, and stay aligned. Quick tip, use consistent naming conventions so OKRs and KPIs are easy to scan, and pick time periods that align with your business reviews. With a strong title, clear ownership, the right time frame, and thoughtful privacy and permissions, your goals in Asana will be actionable, measurable, and truly useful.